10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Cross leg. Nam, sao, by 3, 4, 5, 6. Relax. Hai chân gập chân xuống. Xoay phải. Xoay trái. Right side. Left side. Right. Left. Right. Left. Okay. High thigh back side. One more time. Chân phải chân trái. Cross leg. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Wi-Fi xoay trái. Phải. Trái. Phải. Trái. Hai chân gập chân. 2, 3, 4, come on. 5, good. 6, nice. 7, come on. 8, 9, 10, relax. Hít vào, mâm lên. Mâm lên. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. We'll pause, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right leg up, chin file in. 1, very good. 2, 3, 4, 5. Nice, no problem. Chin child and left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Zoom. Slowly come down. High thigh, high chin. Both hands grab your knees. Yeah. Roll and sit. Lansung. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hit bow. High chin lean. Both leg over your head. Mum lean. Yeah. High thigh back side. Can I one by one? Lansung. One by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Chin 5 swung, chin child in. Right leg up, left leg straight. Yeah, right leg down, left leg up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same, change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mum sung, hip down. Sway phải, sway trái. Right side, left side, right, left. Okay, thang thai, thang chân, nhắm mắt lại. Legs apart, hands apart, and close your eyes. So you have to practice this 3 exercise 3 times with 15 to 20 repetition. You have to perform this exercise 3 times. 3 बार करना है, 15 से 20 बार, hard set, okay?